ये लीजिए आपका बैग. हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश? ये लीजिए आपका बैग.
Here's your bag.
हियर इज योर बैग. ये लीजिए आपका पेन.
Here is your pen.
ये लीजिए रिमोट.
Here is your remote.
हियर इज योर रिमोट. ये लीजिए आपका लंच बॉक्स.
Here is your lunchbox.
हियर इज योर लंच बॉक्स. ओके, ये लीजिए आपका पेन.
Here is your pen.
हियर इज योर पेन. ये लीजिए मेरा फोन.
Here is my mobile.
हियर इज माई मोबाइल. ये लीजिए मेरा वॉलेट.
Here is my wallet.
हियर इज माई
Wallet.
wallet. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Yes. Yes, sir. ये लीजिए चाबी.
Here is your key.
Here is your key. या फिर here is key. ये लीजिए मेरी चाबी.
Here is my key.
Here is my key. Okay. मुझे बोलना पड़ता है.
I have to speak.
I have to speak. मुझे सुनना पड़ता है.
I have to listen.
I have to listen. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ती है.
I have to learn English.
I have to learn English. You are so serious. Like something is big happening in the class, right? You have become so serious. The smile of your face has gone away. Right? Sit down, everyone. I will ask you more sentences. Okay. Yes, please stand up. जब बात आती है बोलने की,
When it's come to speak,
when it comes to
speak.
speak. Okay. जब बात आती है लिखने की,
When it comes to write.
when it comes to write. when it comes to write. Okay. जब बात आती है खाने की, बहुत जल्दी चले आते हैं आप.
When it comes to eat.
when it comes to eat. जब बात आती है खाना पकाने की.
When it comes to make food.
जब बात आती है बर्तन साफ करने की.
When it comes to wash.
wash बर्तन. dishes. when it comes to wash dishes. मुझे बर्तन साफ करने पड़ते हैं.
I have to clean or wash dishes.
dishes. I have to wash dishes. जब बात आती है स्टेज पर बोलने की.
When it comes to speak on the stage.
on the stage. very nice. when it comes to speak on the stage. जब बात आती है इंग्लिश में बात करने की.
When it comes to talking with English.
talk in English.
Talking.
when it comes to talk in
English.
English. चलिए इस बुक को अपनी ही बुक समझो.
भूल गया. Consider this books your own.
consider this book your own. okay. कभी तो बोलो.
Do ever speak.
do ever speak. कभी तो आओ.
Do ever come.
कभी तो अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो.
Do ever complete your homework.
do ever complete your homework. कभी तो क्लास में इंग्लिश बोलो.
Do ever speak English in class.
do ever speak English in class. very nice. कभी तो हेलमेट लगा लिया करो भाई.
Do ever use helmet.
do ever use helmet. कभी तो मुझे फोन कर लिया करो.
Do ever call me.
do ever call me. okay, very nice.